guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this everyday look for myself, makeup look, because this is what I've been doing for my go-to everyday look. I really like it because it's mixed with the browns, but it's more of the cool tone brown. So those are honestly one of my favorite cool toned colors are the browns. I just feel like it just has a lot of I don't know, like it just has a really cool look to it and I just love them. So yes, also I was thinking about this. I was deciding to do is I want to do a giveaway for when I hit 100 subscribers. I've been having like an idea of how I want to do my giveaways. Maybe every 100 subscribers I get, I will be doing a giveaway for that. But just a heads up, so when we get to 100 though, for starters, I will be doing a giveaway. So more info will be getting to that once I get closer. But yes, just wanted to throw that out there for you guys to know that there will be one. But yes, so if you want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so with this look, I'm going to be using nothing but Makeup Geek eyeshadows to come up with the look. I did end up using one shadow though that is not Makeup Geek, but I use that as an eyeliner, so it technically doesn't really count. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how I get my everyday go-to look that I've been doing actually for a long time. Minus the blue part, because I just figured I'd add a little pop of color instead of just a normal brown look. So anyways, the first shade I'm gonna go into is Creme Brulee, almost hitting pan, if you guys can kind of see. So I am getting my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm gonna go in here and just throw this as my transition shade and just really blend this out. And the cool part with this look is you can definitely make it look, what's the word? I don't want to use sloppy because it's not, but it's just not a cut crease, you know, it's not anything like that. It's just a normal blending everything out that's simpler to do, I guess, for some. But yeah, you can make this look however you like. You could turn it into a cut crease and, you know, amp it up a bit, but I really just like this look because it is just, it could go so many different ways, and I just honestly think these are the most beautifulest shades that I have seen, and especially it's like a cool tone brown, and I love warm tone browns. But I also, my favorites are cool toned browns, believe it or not. Those are my absolute favorite cool toned colors. And when I seen that Makeup Geek had these, and I've been using these shades for, I can't even tell you how long, for a few years now, and still this is my go-to look. I just love these. So Marlena, please don't get rid of these. Like, these shades, and I'm going to show you, and these are the next shades that I use for the outer corner and crease. Don't mind them how messy they are, but I'm using Barcelona Beach mixed with a Latte, and let me tell you, I am not joking of how much I use these, and I always mix these together. I just think they are perfect together. I don't know, that's what I think. So I'm getting now my Morphe M513 brush, and I'm mixing into both of those, and then I'm starting on the outer corner and just blending all the way to the crease. And yeah, you just blend it to however your liking is. I like to go heavy, being that I'm not going to be putting a dark color on the outer corners. It's just these. But I dip a little more into, I want to say this was, yeah, Barcelona Beach. It's more of the cool toned one. which I think they both are, but this one has more definite of the gray, and I think that's just what ties this, believe it or not, it just ties this whole look together. But no, this has just been my go-to all the time. I always go back to this. So now going back in with my transition brush shade, I am going to just blend this out all on top and just really blend that together. Okay, so now I'm just going to get a little bit of concealer, doesn't matter which one you want to use. I'm just using it just to really have that base first, just to really have the color stick right there and just have it pop a tiny bit more. This color is not really like a dramatic shade, obviously it's the one I have on the lid. I just really want to make sure it has something to like grip onto. And again, I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm just, like I said, just really getting it so the pigment can really show. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing a cut crease at all. Now I'm going into Vanilla Bean, and it's this really pretty off-white, kind of like little cream colored in it. As you could tell, I'm almost hitting pan as well. So like I said, I use these all the time. And now just throwing this all on the lid. Okay, going back into the crease shade brush that we used. Now I'm just going back in with a little extra color and just really blending this out. And as you can see, it's not a cut crease anymore. It's just very, like I said, this whole look is just about blending, and that is why I really like it as my everyday. Like I mentioned before, it's really not a lot of work to do, and they just go, I don't know, there's times I just like a non-cut crease look or halo look or anything. I just really kind of like the whole blended look a lot for my everydays pretty much. Okay, so now to highlight the inner corner and brow bone, I am going into her shade now, Shimma Shimma, and this color has always been my favorite shimmer from her. I mean, I haven't tried all of them, but this one I really like because it's actually what I have as my highlight, and it's one of those colors where it's like you can definitely use it as the eyeshadows, but then you can definitely use it all over your face. So I really love this. Now I'm just going to put a black liner on top for the tight lining and a brown liner on the bottom, and I'm just using the Essence black pencil liner and then the Tristique's brown. Okay, so then now to do the bottom, I'm just going to be getting a flat definer brush first, and I'm going to go into her shade Time Travel, and it is such a pretty teal blue. I would have to say, yeah, like a teal, no, not teal, like a turquoise blue, and it is so pretty. So I'm just doing this to really press it up against the lash line, just to really get it up there. And then I'm just getting a small Morphe 836 brush, going back in. I'll just grab my mirror for this. And then I'm just really gonna blend this out. Okay, so for liner, I just went into the MAC palette, Mischief palette, and I'm just using the black shade in there. You can use whatever black. You're just going to press this up against your lashes and then flick up, but I'll be back and you'll see what I did. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did the mascara and then the liner. Like I said, you just want to do the powdered for the eyeshadow for the liner. Just do like a normal liner and just flick it up at the ends, like just a tad, just to really just blend it together how I feel. You could do this look with the wing liner if you would like, but I feel like for my everyday look, this is what I normally go to. It's a lot easier and quicker. So yeah, but no, if you guys like this look, then just please give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that would mean so much to me. But yeah, if you guys want to see more looks like this for more everyday looks or cool tone looks, warmer tone looks, any kind of things like that, just go ahead and put those in the comments down below. And with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.